Hey guys, now let's do question 2.2. The following represents the first three terms of an arithmetic sequence. Minus 24, p squared. Calculate the values of p. So as mentioned on the previous video, that whenever they mention the word arithmetic sequence, we know that we have formulas that we have to use. In this case, we are given, in this sequence, we have two unknowns, and we are told that this is an arithmetic sequence. Since we know that this is an arithmetic sequence, for this question, the formula that we will use this one, the formula for the constant difference. D is equals to T2 minus T1 equals to T3 minus T2. Why are we using this formula? Because we know that the difference between these two is the same as the difference between these two. So by equating these two equations, this will enable us to solve for p. So term number 1, minus 24. Term number 2, we have p. Term number 3, we have p squared. The question says calculate the value or values of p. So since we have this s here, we know very well that there is a possibility of us finding the two values of p. So this is our equation. We took it from this one, the equation for the constant difference. T2 is p, T1 minus 24, T3 p squared, T2 p. Now we have substituted our values. Negative times negative is positive. We solve for p. This is what we have. Now from here, as we solve for p, we take everything else to the other side. When we take everything else to the other side, this is what we have. Then from here, we know that we have to factorize. So by factorizing, this is what we will have. So how do we factorize? We are looking for the factors of 24. The ones which when we multiply, they give us 24, and subtract, they give us 2. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 6 and 4 are our factors for this equation. So this negative tells us that both brackets must have different signs, but the bigger number takes the sign of a middle term. So when we solve this, we have p equals to 6 or p equals to negative 4. Yeah, this is it for this lesson. Thank you very much. Take care.